Inferno in the City of Angels, the Los Angeles wildfires. Los Angeles, a city known for its glittering lights, iconic landscapes, and bustling neighborhoods. But every year, this metropolis faces a powerful and relentless adversary: wildfire. The story of wildfires in California is as old as the land itself, but in recent years, these fires have grown larger, faster, and deadlier. In the hills of Los Angeles, where urban life meets untamed nature, the stakes are higher than ever. Los Angeles has the perfect recipe for wildfires: dry vegetation, high temperatures, and the infamous Santa Ana winds. These winds can fan a small spark into an uncontrollable inferno in minutes. Climate change has made the fire seasons longer and more intense, with record-breaking temperatures and severe drought conditions. This is the new normal. Firefighters preparing gear at a station, loading trucks and heading to the fire lines. While the flames rage, there are those who stand in its path: firefighters, paramedics, and volunteers. For them, every call is a race against time. Captain Rodriguez, a seasoned firefighter. Captain Rodriguez, when you're out there, it's not just about fighting the fire. It's about saving lives, protecting homes, and preserving what we can. It's exhausting, but it's what we signed up for. A rookie firefighter, Maya, sharing her first experience in the field. Maya: the heat, the smoke, it's overwhelming, but when you see someone's face light up because you saved them or their pet, it makes every second worth it. Residents returning to charred neighborhoods, sifting through ashes to find remnants of their lives. Wildfires don't just destroy land, they uproot lives. In Los Angeles, thousands of families are forced to flee their homes every year, unsure if they'll have anything to return to. Sarah Thompson, a displaced resident. Sarah: when the fire reached our street, we had minutes to leave. We lost our home, but we're alive. That's what matters. In times of crisis, the community bands together, showing resilience in the face of devastation. Environmentalists and urban planners discuss solutions, interspersed with visuals of controlled burns and green energy initiatives. Environmentalists and urban planners discuss solutions, interspersed with visuals of controlled burns and green energy initiatives. Environmentalists and urban planners discuss solutions, interspersed with visuals of controlled burns and green energy initiatives. Environmental scientist: we need to rethink how we live alongside fire-prone areas. Controlled burns, better land management, and sustainable urban planning can help mitigate the risk. Education and preparation are key. From fire-resistant building materials to emergency plans, every action counts. Wildfires are a force of nature, a reminder of both the power and fragility of our world. But in Los Angeles, the spirit of its people remains unshaken. Together, they rebuild, reimagine, and rise from the ashes. For every fire, there is renewal, and for every loss, there is hope. This is Los Angeles, resilient, united, and ever burning with the light of its people.